In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to download photos on AOL Mail application using iPhone. Downloading photos from the AOL Mail on your iPhone is a straightforward process. Start off by tapping open the AOL Mail application from your app drawer. Make sure to log into your account if necessary. Now, make sure you are inside the inbox and then select an email with the photo you'd like to download. Once you open up the email you'd like to download the photo from, simply go ahead and open up the photo and press hold the photo for quite some time. Now, tap on Save to Photos in the pop-up. If prompted, allow access for AOL to connect to your photos. And soon after you do that, you will be able to download the photo on your iPhone. That is how you can easily download a photo on AOL Mail using iPhone in just a quick and simple way. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.